Secured credit cards are designed for people who need a credit card option while building or rebuilding credit. But approval depends on the issuer's requirements, not just the fact that a card is secured. By the end, you'll know how to compare secured cards by approval factors, costs, reporting features, and the details that matter before applying. The best secured card is usually the one that matches your situation. A card with a simple approval process may help someone who has limited credit history, while another card may be better for someone focused on rebuilding after past credit problems. Start by checking the approval requirements. Look at whether the issuer reviews your credit history, what information is required during the application, and whether the card has conditions that could affect approval. Next, compare the deposit requirements. Secured cards typically require a refundable security deposit that becomes your credit limit. Check the minimum and maximum deposit amounts, because that affects how much available credit you can use. The third thing to check is credit reporting. A secured card can help build credit when the issuer reports account activity to the major credit bureaus. Before applying, confirm how the card reports payments and balances. Fees also matter. Review the annual fee, interest rate, and any other charges listed in the card agreement. A card with fewer costs can be easier to manage while you are building credit. You should also look at upgrade options. Some secured cards allow you to move to an unsecured card after showing responsible payment history. Others may keep you in the secured program longer. When comparing cards in 2026, avoid choosing only because a card appears easy to get approved for. Approval is only the first step. The card's fees, reporting practices, and long-term options determine whether it helps your credit goals. A practical way to compare options is to make a short list. Check each issuer's requirements, compare deposits and fees, and choose the card you can manage consistently. Remember these 3 points. Approval depends on the issuer's criteria. Secured cards work best when payments are made on time, and the right card is the one with terms you can handle. Check the details before you apply, and subscribe for more credit card comparisons and credit building guides.